Biz 101, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a duct tape wallet sort of like this one. So first I'm going to show you the supplies that you're going to need. So the supplies that you're going to need is a ruler, a type of pen, an X-Acto knife, scissors, 2 rolls of duct tape in different patterns but that correspond with each other. I'm using sheep and neon green, an iTunes gift card, or any kind of gift card just to measure how big your pocket will be. And then as for the duct tape and how much you need, you're going to need 8 pieces of duct tape in your wallet color, so the color that's going to be like your main color, so the pink is your main color. So you're going to need 8 pieces of that are all 9.5 inches long. Then you're going to need 4 pieces of duct tape that are 3 inches long. On your other sheet, you're going to need 2 pieces of duct tape in the other color that are 9.5 inches long, 4 pieces of duct tape that are 4 inches long in the other color, and 2 pieces of duct tape that are 3.5 inches long in the other color. So to start, you're going to flip over 2 pieces of duct tape that are 9.5 inches long in the regular color that your wallet's going to actually be. And you are going to slightly overlap them onto each other. Very slightly. You don't want too much of an overlap. So basically, you'll only want to overlap them just enough so that they'll stick. Like so. See, they're only overlapped like that much. Then you're going to take 2 more pieces of duct tape in the same color, and you are going to overlap them on the other side so that it is sealed. And you're going to try and do it as neatly as possible so that there are no edges. But if there is, that's fine. You can just cut them off later with your scissors. Also, you're going to want cutting boards because you are going to be cutting with your X-Acto knife, and you're supposed to cut on cutting boards. There. Like that. Then you can trim off the excess, but I'm going to do that at the end. So then you can put that aside. Then you're going to take 2 more pieces. Can't get this one. And you're going to overlap them just like you did the first 2. Only these 2 are going to overlap a little bit more than the first 2 because this is for the money pocket. So I'm going to overlap mine about that much. Then you're going to take your last 2 9.5 inch pieces in the same color, and you're going to put them on the back. Now you can also trim this one, but I'm also going to leave that since this is just a tutorial and I don't need it to look super neat. Then you can line up your 2 pieces, like so. Then you're going to take your first other color 9.5 inch piece, and you're going to overlap it on the bottom just a little bit, making sure it's the same width all the way across. And you're going to push it down, and mine I don't think is overlapped enough, so I'm just going to redo it. And you want to make sure that the top is completely even, like that. I'm going to do it to about here. You can see the crease. Then you want to flip it over and fold the back down. Try to do it as neatly as possible so you don't get any creases. Then you're going to take your last 9.5 inch piece in the other color. You're going to open up your wallet, And on the top part, you're also going to overlap it the same amount as the bottom. It doesn't matter so much though, because it's not going to really show. And you're just going to press it down, flip it over, and press it down again, making sure you do it neatly so as not to get any creases. Then you can go back with your scissors and you can trim the edges. But sometimes the scissors decide that they don't want to work for you, and so then just go in with your X-Acto knife and take off the excess. There. Then you're going to do the sides. So you're going to take your two 3.5-inch pieces of duct tape, and you're going to just put them on the sides and fold them over on the back. Like that. Now I have a strip here and I like having a strip of the other color, but if you don't like it, you can just cut another piece of green duct tape and fix it. So once you have all of this, it's up to you. You can either leave it like this or you can make a pocket. I'm going to make a pocket. So you're going to take your 4-inch pieces of duct tape and you're going to lay 2 of them. Now I measured mine to fit my iTunes gift card like that so that it can slip around my iTunes gift card. And then you're just going to overlap them enough so that they can still fit nicely on the wallet, so this is good. Then you're going to take your last 2 pieces of the 4-inch and you're going to go on the other side and overlap. Then you can trim off the excess if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like so. There we go. Smooth it down. Then you can take your 2 sheet pieces and you can just use them to pull down the pocket. Now some people like to use the green duct tape again to hold down their pocket, but I like to use the sheet because then it's color respondent, I guess, and just put it down. And then you make sure that your gift card will fit. Then you're going to take your 3rd piece and put it on the bottom. And then there's a strip right here, and you're going to take your last piece and your X-Acto knife and cut a piece that big off. And then you can just patch it like so. And then it ends up looking like this. It does look a little bit better if you use green for the pocket, like all the way around for the trim too, but I use sheet for this one. And then your card will just sit in there. Now it's up to you. You can make another card pocket on this side, or you can put a photo of yourself or something, but I'm just going to leave it for right now. But then you can fold it in half and leave a book on it to let it crease. And then if you like, you can add a bow on it. But I'm not going to show you how to make a bow in this tutorial. I will show you how to make a bow in a different tutorial for just bows. But this is what it ends up looking like. There's your money pocket, your card pocket, and then the outside. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!